Today we're going to take a look at some ways you can boost your conversions with ads on YouTube. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure your landing page has a conversion pixel on it. If you're not familiar with conversion pixels and how to install them on your landing page, take a look at the link in the description. The conversion pixel is basically an invisible image that is pulled whenever someone loads your landing page and thank you page. It helps you track how much traffic is making it to your landing page, and how much of that traffic is then going on to the thank you page. This lets you know what your conversion rate is. I can't give you a specific conversion rate goal, because this can vary significantly between market, what type of offer you're promoting, and other factors. All I can say is that it's important to track your conversions and make tweaks to your video ad, landing page and campaigns in order to get the best results. Once you're getting data from your conversion pixel, it's time to start tweaking various things. The first thing, and the most obvious thing, to take a look at is your video ad. Is it receiving good feedback from YouTube viewers? Is it getting more thumbs up or thumbs down? Is it getting any comments? If you don't have any data on the video itself, you can always make a second video and set it up as a different ad within your campaign in order to test the two against each other. It's a good idea to make no other changes during this testing period so you can be certain it's the video that is having an effect on conversions and not something else you're testing. Once you've had a few hundred clicks to your landing page, at minimum, you should have a pretty good idea how well each video is going to convert. Then you can keep the one that converts best and move on to tweak other elements. Next, you should make changes to your landing page. Try changing different elements such as the landing page's layout, color scheme, headline, and format. Finally, consider testing various elements of the ad campaign itself, such as the keywords and/or topics you're targeting or the individual videos you're targeting. Never assume that a particular keyword phrase or video will be perfect for your audience. You never know what factors might be at play that could potentially make a difference to conversions. This is why it's so important to test various elements. Even if you think you're getting good results, you never know if you could drastically improve them just with a minor tweak or two. In the next video, we're going to take a look at different types of videos you can create, the tools you can use to create them, and how you can get videos made for you very inexpensively if you'd rather not learn to make them yourself.